Meaning of electrical engineer.
Electrical engineer.
Electrical engineer.
Electrical engineer.
Electrical engineer. An electrical engineer is a professional who designs, develops, and tests electrical equipment. They work in a variety of industries, including telecommunications, power generation, and electronics manufacturing. Electrical engineers play a crucial role in ensuring that the equipment they design is safe, reliable, and meets industry standards. They may work on projects ranging from small-scale electronic devices to large-scale power generation plants. In short, electrical engineers are responsible for the development and implementation of electrical systems that power our modern world.